हैं उनको प्राप्ति कर।
The Fkjgp West Khasi Hills district on Tuesday met the Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi Hills, Garrod LSN Dykes, and sought clarification after Assam officials, including MLA, officers and police officials under the leadership of the leaders of opposition D. Saikia, recently went and organized a meeting at Langpih and also inspected some villages at Langpih area, including Mausikar, Makoibari and other villages. Carrie Oscar Kharmuti, Vice President of Fkjgp West Khasi Hills, said that after a meeting with the DC, it was learnt that the district administration did not receive any information and know nothing about the official visit carried out by Assam. The Fkjgp demanded the state government authorities to speak up immediately against the issue. Kharmuti said that the last time the two chief ministers of both the states met together at Langpih, and they had vowed to respect the status quo.
Ni mentang ni kuat ke jengpen syai nakaliang juga state government nang ni napo ka jala ka jingi ka Meghalaya baka ai bakan ong halor kan ni jingja ka padang dep jasi sajan kamdei bon snap jar malada ka snap jar bu Assam nang thi uwan ni ka ban kam ni ka Langpih ka padang don hapo ka jingi penbet lada ma ulut ban ong ba si in si rum ai ngilingi keren syai ka ni kasni wat tang siteng in si la ni siksai ru nginum ai.
And a quick look at the